Hello, trader Steve Ganz. So I wanted to share with you these two trades that I opened up back on May 15th. So I opened these up literally within a couple minutes of each other. And the goal here was to show how the Flyagonal trade performs better than most traditional theta positive, delta neutral trades. And in this case, I chose an iron condor. So when we take a look at these two different trades, we can see that the iron condor, after those roughly 10 days, is up $92. It's got a 59% chance of profit. It's got a max profit of 328, a max loss of 172. So let's just take a look and see how that compares to the Flyagonal. Again, the benefit to the Flyagonal is that the Flyagonal trade has two overlapping structures in it. It has a butterfly, a broken wing butterfly, and a put diagonal. Those two overlap right in the center here, creating a theta bomb. So if our market stays in that general range, we get a much faster theta decay. That much faster theta decay, of course, gets us to profitability significantly faster. So this trade is up 170 versus this trade being up 91 after approximately 10 days. Now, I want to take a look also at our various Greeks because, of course, those are important to understand. Before we get to the Greeks, though, let's just take a look at break-evens. So our break-evens here, 732 to 749. Over here, we're 733 to 752, so slightly wider over here in our break-evens, not significantly wider, but slightly wider, and again, much more theta decay. How much more theta decay? Let's take a look at theta decay on these two structures. We can see right here that theta decay on that iron condor is now at $19 a day. Theta decay on the Flyagonal is $99 a day. So what does that mean? That means that come tomorrow, if I leave this trade on, this trade's going to go up about another $20, so I'll be at $108. This trade, however, is going to go up about another $100, so I'll be up in that 260, 270 or so range. Now, theta is a mathematical, theoretical number. It is not a number that just automatically shows up like clockwork. If everything else in these trades stayed the same, if we stayed in the same current market condition that we're at, in other words, the current market price, the current volatility regime, if nothing else changed about this trade, that would be the amount of theta that would be expected to come in. But of course, nothing stays the same in our market. So that is a theoretical number. But even so, the key takeaway here is that regardless, this number is dramatically bigger than the theta we're going to get out of the Condor alone. This is why I love the Flyagonal trade. It allows me to hit my profitability faster, be in the trade a shorter amount of time, and move on. Now, at the very end here, if you want to know more about the Flyagonal trade, I've done other videos on it. Check this out. It'll tell you more about the Flyagonal trade. There's 3 separate variations of that trade that I use in different market conditions, but that video will give you some insight. Take care, everyone.